Hi everyone, welcome back with the second Sudoku in this newspaper of May the 1st, Friday. So let's get started. Let me see. An 8 in this row, an 8 in the row below. So in the last row, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. I see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here. 8 in this column, 8 in the third column, so the column between. The only place for the 8 should be there. Yes, in let me see how I can solve this. This big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 8. We have an 8 here, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. So the 8 could be here or could be there. That means 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So in that column, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 here. That means if I look to this big square, 8 is one of the missing numbers. Here an 8, no 8 there. Here also an 8, no 8 here. That means the 8 should be one of these two boxes in the middle row. So this cannot be any more an 8. This should be the 8. Then I cannot continue with 8. Let me see. For the 4, yes. In this big square, 3 missing numbers. The numbers are the 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 9 are missing. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. Here also 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. The 3 and the 9, the 3 and the 9 are missing. 3 and a 9. 3 and a 9. How about the following number? Let me see. The 2, no. The 2, no. I cannot continue. Strange. Alright. Yes, in this column, 3 missing numbers. The missing numbers here are the 2, the 6, and the 4. I see here 2 and a 6, so no 2 and a 6 there. 1 digit left, should be the 4. Here we have the 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. Remember that for later. I cannot fill this yet. How about this big square? 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 6 and a 5. No, the 6. We have a 6 here, so no 6 in these two boxes. There are 6, no 6 in that box. 1 box left for the 6 should be here. The other 3 numbers are the 2, the 9, and the 7. We have a 7 here. We have a 7 there, so no 7s in those two boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be here. The 2, I cannot fill the 2 here, so the 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Here we have the 9 and the 3. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 3 goes there. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. In this column, the numbers 4 and 3 are missing. 4 and 3. 2 and 6, I believe. Yeah, 2 and 6. How about these 3 numbers? The 1, the 5, and the 7. 1, 5, and 7. Cannot do anything. These 3 numbers, the 1, the 2, We have a 2 there, the 2. And the 1, 2, and the 9. 1, 2, and the 9. No, I cannot feel this yet. Ooh, 1, 2, and a 9. 6, 6. We have a pair here in this row. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. I see here the 6 and the 1, so no 6 and the 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 and the 1 should be in those 2 boxes. I see here a 6, so no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 1 goes there. The other 2 numbers are the numbers 9 and 5. 9 and 5, we have a 5 here, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 5, here or there. I see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 4, 3, and the 8. No, I cannot finish this. 1, 2, 9, 7, 2, 9, 7, and the 3. 7, 2, 9, 7, and the 3. The last column, 4 missing numbers. I see the 2 of them, the 2 and the 9, are missing in those 4 empty boxes, the 2 and the 9. I see here 2 and the 9. I see here 2 and the 9. That means the other, here cannot be 2 and the 9 anymore. Here cannot be 2 and the 9 anymore. So the other numbers are the 7 and the 3 as a pair. 7 and the 3. Here the 9 and the 2. 9 and the 2. Alright, what are pairs? Wow. 8. 8, that means we have here an 8. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so in the row above. The only place for the 7 should be here. 1 box left in this row for the number 3. Here the 7 and the 3, so this should be the 3. Then 3 numbers left, the 9, the 1, and the 2. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. That means here 2 or there 2. 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so here 2 or there 2. We have a 2 there. This should be the 2. 2 numbers left. In the first row, the 3 and the 8 are missing, the 3 and the 8. So, cannot feel this yet. 3 and the 8. But those 3 numbers in this big square, the 3 and the 8 are missing, but also the 9. And I see here the 8 and the 3, so no 8 and the 3 in this box. So the 9 should be here. The 8 and the 3 are missing now. We have an 8 here, so this could be only the 3 and that the 8. 1 box left should be the 3. Here the 2 numbers, the 4 and the 8. 4 and 8. These 3 numbers, the 1 should be here also, because we have a 1 here as a pair. This number should be the 9. How about these 2 numbers? For the numbers 7 and 4. 7 and 4. 7 and 4. Here we have also the 4 here, and the 4 and the 3. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4, 2 and a 6, I believe. Yes, 2 and a 6. So here cannot be the 4, here cannot be the 4, here cannot be the 4. The other two boxes could be the 4 here. Okay, then how about the 1 and the 2, 1 and the 2, and the 1 and the 2 and the 9. Ah, we have a 9 now. So this cannot be a 9 anymore. This should be the 9, this should be the 2. 9, 9, that means here 9 or there 9. We have a 9 here, so this should be the 9. 2 boxes left in this column. For the numbers 1 and 3, I believe, 1 and 3, we have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. We have a 3 here, so this cannot be the 3. This should be the 3. This should be the 4. We have a 4 here, so this cannot be the 4. This should be the 4. This should be the 7. 4, 4, 4, 4. The 7 in this column should be here or there. 7, we have 2 7s there, so the 7 should be also here. How about these two numbers? For the numbers 5 and 6. A lot of pairs again. How about the 8, the 3, the 7, the 5, and the 1 are left. 1, 1, okay. And the 5 could be everywhere. 4 and 8, 1, 2. 4, 4, so here should also be, no, we have a 4 here. 1, 2, and the 8 should be here. Oh, 1, 2, 1, 2, we have a 2 now, so this should be the 2. This should be the 1. 1, 1, so here should be the 1, or there should be the 1. 2 numbers left. 8 and the 3 are missing. We have a 3 here, so this should be the 3. This should be the 8. We have an 8 here, so this should be the 4. This should be the 8. We have a 4 here, so this should be the 4. And this should be the 7. We have a 7 here, so this cannot be the 7. This should be the 7. 6, 5 are left. We have a 6 here, so this should be the 6. This should be the 5. 1 and a 5 are left here. 1 and a 5. This should be the 5. We have a 5 here, so this should be the 1. This should be the 5. 2 and 6 are left. 2 and 6. We have a 6 here, so this should be the 6. This should be the 2. 1 box left. This should be the 2. 1 and the 6 are left. We have the 6 there, so this should be the 6. This should be the 1. We have a 1 here, so this should be the 1, and this should be the 9. 9, 9, 9. Yes, 9. Finish in 30 minutes. Alright, so I think they switched the Sudokus. This should not be a 2 stars, should be a 1 star, and the other should be a 2 or 3 stars. Anyway, thumbs up if you like this, otherwise thumbs down. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a moment with the third Sudoku, a Sudoku 4 stars. Thank you and bye bye.